What's good, you guys? In this video, we're going to talk about how you guys can add Cordova to your React app. So first thing you want to make sure you have is Cordova globally installed. So you guys can do that on your terminal just by doing, if you're using npm, you do npm install -g and then Cordova, and then it should install globally. So I already created a React app here, just the basic template. And first thing you're going to want to do is eject your app. So if you try just ejecting it like this, it's going to show you an error. So if you guys commit it to Git, just do a local repository, then it should work. So just do this first commit if you haven't already done that to your React app. So we're going to eject it. And once we eject it, do yes. We're going to have this config file. We'll come into our config and go to paths. We'll come down to app build, and instead of build, you get rid of that and go www. Okay, so save that, and we'll get out of that. Won't really touch the config file anymore there. And then, so the next thing you want to do is come to your package.json, and you're going to do homepage /. Okay. So this is just specific to create React app for like this tutorial that we're doing. That you'll do this. So now you want to add your Cordova. If you don't have it globally installed, you want to do that first. So we'll do Cordova create. Let's do Cordova React app, and then we'll do com.example Cordova dot Cordova React app, and then you can just be like Cordova app. Okay, so it's kind of long. You guys can find this on the Apache Cordova website. I'll put it in the description. So now that we created that, it made this new file inside of our React app. So the only thing we're going to need is this config.xml. So what you can do is copy that into your React app. So yeah, move. So now we have that there. And we won't touch anything there for now. And you'll come into your source. So now into the React app, right? And you go to index. And we're going to write a function, so we'll go cont start app equals arrow function, and we're going to throw this in here. So this will just target our React app for the browser. And then we'll do if window.cordova, and we'll do document.add event listener device ready start app false. Okay, and then we'll do else. We'll start the app. Oh, oops. So we'll run this function, which will run it for the browser. So this was for like iOS or Android, and this will be for, just the web. Okay, so we're done here with the index.js. This is how yours should look like too. And then if you're doing the service worker, then you would do it in here. So you can register that. Okay, so now you're going to want to add some scripts inside of your public and then your index.html. So this is where your root div is. So you'll come up here. I'll have these in the description so you can just copy and paste them. You'll add this script right here. Okay, so you can just copy and paste these from the description. And the next thing you can do now is, so you'll do like an npm run build. Okay, and once you built that, you'll do Cordova platform add iOS or Cordova platform add Android. So it's going to add this platforms right here, and in there is where you'll have the different things like iOS, browser, Android. You won't really touch this Cordova React app anymore, but in the future you might need it if you're going to do like the splash screen or stuff like that. So now in platforms you have this iOS folder. And if you did Android, then you'll have an Android folder. But for this one, we're just going to do iOS. Okay, so to test it, you'll do Cordova emulate iOS. Okay, so you guys might see a white screen like this too on your simulator once you have it up. To change that, you'll come over to the index.html where we put in these meta tags. And right here before the unsafe.eval, you'll go unsafe inline. Save that, and then what you'll need to do is do npm run build, and then you can do Cordova emulate iOS again. If you want to test it on a connected device like your phone, if you connect it, you'll do Cordova run iOS. Okay, so now we have a React app here. Okay, and if you have any other questions, you guys can go ahead and comment, or you guys can message me directly.